So, hello everybody. Today we're going to keep talking about consonant blend. Okay, consonant blend, that means we have consonants that comes together, and blend, it means what? Group of consonants with no vowel in between. So consonant blend here in this unit, they comes at the beginning of the word and at the end of the word, okay? So the first word here, shall, okay? This is the shall, and here SH, these are two consonant. S is a consonant and H is a consonant.
مس أنا صفحة
Page 32, miss.
مس وأنا رحت عالم آخر.
So shall here, SH, S is a consonant and H is a consonant. So let's write here next to them. We have here two consonant. It's a consonant and it's a consonant. So let's change the color of undo. Let's write it here. Here, both are consonant. Both are consonants. Let's write it here. Wait a minute, guys. Let's write again. Two consonant. These are two consonants. They comes at the beginning of the word. And they are, as we call it, consonant blend. Means group two or more consonant. So let's see here some example. Shall, fish, ship, brush. Shall, fish, ship, brush. Shall, the consonant blend sh, it comes at the beginning of the word. At the beginning of the word, see? At the beginning of the word, the sh sound, the consonant blend. And here at the end of the sentence, the sh or the consonant blend comes.
مس ما فيش صورة.
And here at the end, what?
فيش صورة.
هيا يا مس قدامكم. It's in front of you. I share it.
Teacher, I want to say a sentence.
Wait a minute. Wait. So, sh here, consonant blend sh, it comes at the beginning of the word here on, and here at the end of the word. So we call it consonant blend sh, s, h. It comes at the end and at the beginning of the sentence, or sorry, at the beginning or at the end of the word. طيب. Let's see here.
Teacher, I want to say something.
Wait a minute. Okay. What do you want to say?
I want to say to a consonant blend, 2 or 3 consonants come together with no vowel in between.
Great job. This is the meaning of consonant blend. Thank you, يا عطر. طيب, who can give me an example or use the words that have the consonant blend sh in a sentence? The word ship. Who can use it in a sentence?
Salwa.
سلوى, يلا.
We went to
طيب, brush. Easier than ship. يلا. Brush.
I brush my hair in the morning. I brush the hair in the morning and in the night.
Great job. Thank you very much.
بس
So
عادي أنا
Ritu,
أحكي عن البرش.
as you want. If you want to give me an example or use fish in a sentence, not brush. Fish,
Okay.
fish.
Okay. I go to the beach and I see a fish.
Great job. Thank you. طيب.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. طيب. ريان.
نعم مس.
Could you please use the word ship or shell, fish or brush in a sentence?
I brush my teeth.
Thank you. You brush your teeth. So brush here as a verb, not as a noun. You use it as a verb. Thank you. Mu'taz.
نعم مس.
Morning, ya Mu'taz. Could you please use one of these words in a sentence?
I going to the beach. شوف كيف كلمة صدت بالإنجليزي.
Catch.
I catch a fish.
Just one fish? You catch one fish? طب one fish for you and for Miss Baraa. No fishes for me? No fishes for me?
النوع اللي صدته هذا نوع مش كويس ما
So it's we can't eat it. Okay, notice guys that fish is a word that we can, it has two plural nouns. You can say fish or fishes. Fish or fishes for plural, okay? You can say fish for more than one fish, and you can say fishes for two or more, okay? For more than one fish, okay? So let's do the first exercise. Come on. Yell.
Teacher.
Listen and circle. Ship.
Teacher.
Ship. Who wants to circle the ship here?
Teacher, me. It's me.
No,
My name
Amir.
is Malak. Me.
Amir.
Me. My name is Malak. It's me.
Amir. Amir.
Yes.
Could you please circle the ship here at the in the beginning? In the first one here?
Yes, I can.
Okay, you are doing it at in your notebook? Okay, I'm going to do it here. Okay.
Here. This
Here,
is
where
the
is
ship.
the brush? يلا يا تيم. Circle the brush.
Yes.
Okay, I'll do it.
Teacher, can I?
Miss,
Come
can
on,
I?
سلوى يلا.
Teacher, me after. Teacher, can I? Can I after Salwa?
شل يا سلوى شل.
Teacher, me after Salwa.
Thank you يا سلوى. عطر, come on. Fish.
بس أنا حكيت قبل عطر.
طيب after عطر ملك. Thank you يا عطر. Thank you. Thank you very much. So please circle and do it in your book. Come on all. Do it in your book.
I am done.
Teacher,
What?
shine. It's a consonant blend.
Shine. The sh sound. Yes, sh is a consonant blend. SH. Thank you for your question. Come on, Malek. Do the first one here in the next exercise. Here. يلا write a word that has اللي هي sh sound.
Shell.
What?
Shell.
Write it.
Okay.
Whoa. Amazing. Miss, make your handwriting smaller, please. Make it smaller.
Teacher,
طيب, I can write it here for you.
teacher, احنا كمان نكتب عنها fish.
Okay, yes, okay, thank you يا ملك. I'm going to write it for you. Because
سامحيها. Yes, me.
أقدر أكتبها fish صح؟
yes, you can.
And a brush.
طيب. Come on.
Can I? أيوة.
براء. براء وبراءة.
What?
So do the second one here. The second one here.
Teacher, I want to. I don't know.
You don't know?
Teacher, can I do it?
يلا يا ريان.
Yes.
Do the second one here.
Brush.
No, the second one here.
Fast.
Great job, fast. Thank you. Bara, here. يلا try. Try here.
مش عاد أجاوبها.
No, I want Bara to try.
Miss, I don't know.
The third one here.
Fish.
No, I want, but stop guys. طيب يلا, I want to help you. What's this?
Brush.
Great job. طيب, what's this?
Fish.
And this?
Ship.
Shell.
Shell.
And this?
Ship.
So yeah, let's write here one of these words.
بس حطي fish.
مثلا حطيت
here.
brush.
Ahmed here. Yeah.
What?
Choose a word and let's write it down here. From here.
Stop.
No.
بس أي واحدة 3 ولا 5
4.
4
Brush. And here, what's this word?
fish
Ship. Okay.
shell.
So the answer here is what? One of these words, one of these 4 words.
brush.
Ship, for example. طيب. Here, the 5th one, who wants to do it? Yusuf.
Miss Salwa, please.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Yella, choose a word to write it next to the puzzle here.
Stop.
Stop. Thank you. Yella, let's write stop.
Teacher, I bought test.
طيب, it's okay. It doesn't matter, it's fine. يلا يا مطاوع.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. يلا, choose one of these 4 words to write here.
بس عادي متكررة تكون الكلمة ولا لا؟
Yes.
brush or fish or shell.
Shell. يلا, shell. Shell. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for doing exercises with me, guys.